What's the meaning of border collie? Border collie. Border collie.
Border collie. Border collie. The border collie is a breed of working dog originally bred for herding livestock, especially sheep. They are highly energetic and intelligent dogs known for their excellent herding abilities and obedience. With their distinctive black and white coat, border collies have become popular in sports such as agility and flyball, as well as in search and rescue missions. Their ability to quickly learn new tasks and follow commands has also made them successful as therapy dogs and assistance dogs for individuals with disabilities. Overall, the border collie is a versatile and loyal animal beloved by many.